Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize or change buy now button text in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your WordPress admin panel, and after that, we will be needing to add some extensions or plugins that would allow us to do that. Because if you want to change something in your website, either you will need to mess up with the code, and you will need just to have some little bit of knowledge in coding so you can know what to modify in the code snippets of our website or the store, or you can simply go and search for extension or plugins that will do the work. So here we can go to the WooCommerce marketplace, and we will need just to click on add to cart button, and we will need just to search for some extension that would customize it. So as you can see, there is already this custom add to cart button, and it will allow you to customize the add to cart button, and it will add styling and everything to it. Or we can simply go to the plugins and click on add plugin, and we will do the same steps. Add to cart button, and simply we will need just to choose some suitable plugins to do the work. And now that we have this, we can have this add to cart, or we can have this one, or you can have these side cards, etc. And simply we can custom the text to it. So I can just choose this one, and I'm going just to install it. And after that, we will need to be activating our uh, plugin. So I'm just going to click on activate, and simply it will take us to the settings, and from here I can just go to the settings, and from here you can add simple products, you can add the text that you want, the buy products, or all the text that you want to change. So after that you save change, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.